Hello, and welcome to this lesson about similes and metaphors. Today, we're going to learn about these important parts of the English language. So, to begin, let's see what similes and metaphors have in common. They are both figures of speech. That means they are common phrases that help us understand a message. Similes and metaphors are also both figurative, not literal. For example, he is as strong as an ox. So, thinking about that, can a man actually be as strong as an ox? Well, no, that's impossible. But maybe he's a very strong man. So, figuratively, we could say he's as strong as an ox. Also, this phrase is a simile. How do we know? Let's see on the next page. So similes use the words like or as to compare two things. That's a good rule to remember. There are exceptions, but usually similes use like or as. Two examples would be he runs like the wind, runs very fast. Or she is as happy as a clam, very happy. So in our first one, notice we have the word like, and in our second simile, we have as. Let's move on to metaphors. So metaphors are phrases as well, but don't use the words like or as in them. Metaphors are more broad than similes, and there are many of them in the English language. Examples would include I need to hit the books. That's kind of a funny one, right? Hitting the books. But that just means that I need to study. I need to read, as we see the girl doing in the picture. Another metaphor would be these are the dog days of summer, or don't cut corners on the project. One common type of metaphor is sports metaphors. So there are many of these in the English language. We love them for some reason. Maybe you've heard of some of them. Uh, one is keep your eye on the ball. So here in your picture, we see a baseball batter looking at the ball, focusing on it. Of course, it's not literally on his eye, but it makes the point to focus on the ball. Also, a swing and a miss, and it's a slam dunk. It's so easy. It's like a basketball player doing a slam dunk. So to see further the distinction between similes and metaphors, let's look at two phrases with the same message, but slightly different wording. So the simile is she is like a busy bee, and the metaphor is she is a busy bee. See the difference? Good. So at this point in the lesson, we've learned a lot about similes and metaphors. So to review, let's do a little quiz. And remember, the hint for the difference is similes usually have like or as. All right, you ready for the quiz? Let's go. So our first one is I am under the weather. Is that a simile or metaphor? It is a metaphor. Do you see like or as? No? So it's a metaphor. Good. Next, he is as cunning as a fox. Simile or metaphor? It's a simile. Why? Well, we see the word as in it, so it's a simile. Good job. Next, we are like peas in a pod. Simile or metaphor? It's a simile again. See the word like. We're like peas in a pod. We're very close. We're friends. That's what that means. Very good. And our last one is life is a roller coaster. Sounds fun. Simile or metaphor? It is a metaphor. Notice it doesn't say life is like a roller coaster. It says life is a roller coaster. And that means it has its ups and its downs. Isn't that true? So I'm sure you did a great job on our quiz. I'm sure you got 4 out of 4, so well done on that. It's fun learning about similes and metaphors, isn't it? We're near the end of our lesson now, but I'll leave you with a fun metaphor. It was a blast. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.